Welcome to Prague in Czech Republic. This is another episode of Chao on Tour. Today we are at EMA Espresso Bar. It's very noisy here, there's a lot of construction work going on, but I really would like to try my first cup of coffee here in Prague, and this came highly recommended. Let's take a look inside. So as you can see, this place is quite busy, and what they boast of is that they have the best coffee beans, and they also have a very special espresso machine which apparently can only be found here and in another shop in Prague. They also have their sandwiches. They're very proud of that, their pastries and sandwiches. They do have another branch which has a roastery, but unfortunately I'm only here for a couple of days, so I don't have time to go there. So I'm going to try my first cup of coffee here. There's a bit of a queue here, and their menu, very little on the menu. They have the espresso, double espresso, americano, espresso macchiato, cappuccino, latte, flat white, and then they have the hand brew and batch brew. I was asking the manager what I should order, and she was saying that I should have the cappuccino. Well, cappuccino it is, because I've been having flat white and cortado. They don't have cortado here. And there's also what they call cascara, and cascara is actually a tea made from coffee. If you look at the prices here, espresso is 55 crown, which is kroner, so that means it's about 24 kroners to €1. But that's about €2.50. I wouldn't say it's expensive. It's about €3 per cup of coffee, not too bad. Hello. Hi. I would like to order a cappuccino, please.
370, please.
That's
100.
That's 100, and a cappuccino is 70. 70, which is about €3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And be ready at the end of the bar.
Okay. So for good coffee, you really need to have good machines. So they use Victoria Arduino, but let's not look at that. That's the and then their machine, of course, look at that. This is a special edition of La Marzocco. So the lady who's going to make my cappuccino is the manager of this place, and I couldn't pronounce her name. I'll ask her again. And this is mine. Thank you very much. Yeah. This is quite a busy place, but well, all I'm here for is the coffee, and I would really like to try this. But it's amazing how the bartender, who is also the manager of this place, what she did was she steamed the milk in one large jug, and she was able to use the same steamed milk for 2 cups of cappuccino. Well, there you go. That is when there's so many people in the queue, you have to be very creative. So yes, my first cup of coffee here. Wow. I think that my whole European trip has been such an amazing experience. I have tried the best coffee in, I would say, the whole world. Well, it is not surprising because coffee is highly consumed in this part of the world, while the biggest consumer of coffee is in Europe. And if the coffee tastes anything like this or any other coffee shops that I've been to in the past few weeks, then I would say I am not surprised. Definitely very good coffee here, and the ambience is very good. They have a Scandinavian style I just like this kind of coffee shops where you don't really have a lot of food served. It's not complicated. All they had sandwiches and also cakes, and the cakes also look very good. The manager is going to give me a special flat white because the first one that I had, the cappuccino, was not strong enough. It was a single shot of espresso. So take two again. My second cup of coffee here at EMA Espresso Bar, and let's find out. The first cup was really good, but it was a little bit too weak for me. It was a single shot of espresso for a cappuccino with a very, very tiny cup. This time she's given me a double shot in a flat white. Now that's what I call coffee. Very, very busy place, and the manager is really nice. I really like her. I just cannot pronounce her name, but if you ever get the chance to watch this video, thank you very much for the hospitality and for giving us the opportunity to take a video clip in this lovely shop of yours. It's very rustic. I like the design of this place. It's casual, and also it's a place where you meet friends and just have a good cup of coffee. All coffee are freshly roasted in their own roastery, and of course they boast of their delicious sandwiches. Let's have a look at the sandwiches. And the cakes, wow. Well, if ever you're in Prague and you happen to pass by EMA Espresso Bar, this is the place to be. I highly recommend it. That's all I have for this episode of Chao on Tour. I'll see you again for more of these. In the meantime, stay safe. So click that subscribe button. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.